Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add friends on Steam and invite them to a party. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see several options displayed there. Click on Friends to open the Friends menu. From the drop-down that appears, select Add a Friend. This option allows you to connect with other Steam users by sending them friend requests, which is essential for playing together and building your gaming network. Now you'll be taken to a new screen where you can add friends. Look for the designated field on this page and enter your friend code. This unique code is what Steam uses to identify and connect users, making it easy to find exactly who you're looking for without any confusion. After you've entered the friend code, click the Send Invite button. This will send a friend request to the person whose code you entered. Keep in mind that they'll need to accept this request before you can interact with them on Steam, so you might need to wait a moment for them to respond. Once your friend accepts your friend request, you'll be connected on Steam. Now you can move on to inviting them to a party. In the upper left corner of your Steam interface, click on Library. This is where all your installed games and available titles are stored. In the left panel, you'll see a list of your games. Launch or play the game you want to invite your friend to join. This step is important because Steam's party invite system works within specific games, so you need to have the game running to send an invitation. After your game has launched, locate your friend's name in your friends list. Right-click on your friend's name to open a context menu with several options. From this menu, select Invite to Party. This sends a party invitation directly to your friend, allowing them to join you in the game you're currently playing. Now you'll need to wait for them to accept your invitation. Once they accept, they'll be added to your party and you can start playing together. And that's it. You've successfully added a friend on Steam and invited them to join your gaming party. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.